Are you struggling to navigate the complex world of compliance? Do you find yourself spending months trying to figure out the technical jargon and requirements? Well, look no further. Cleared Systems is here to guide you through becoming compliant in as little as one day. Don't waste your time and resources trying to tackle NIST SP 800-171 compliance on your own. This highly technical standard is over 120 plus pages, contains 110 different controls, and requires extensive knowledge of it, cybersecurity, HR, legal, and more. It's a daunting task that can take 6 to 18 months to complete. But with Cleared Systems, you can breathe easy knowing that our compliance experts will guide you through the process. Our team will help you save months of time and, in many cases, 5 or even 6 figures in excessive spending trying to become compliant or ready for CMMC certification without expert guidance. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call at 703-870-3709 or fill out the contact form to talk with one of our compliance experts right now. Let us help you navigate the complex world of compliance and achieve success for your business.